Good morning children, welcome to Phoenix International Group of Schools. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Right, as you know that children, today is the first day of our online class. Before we start our class, let me introduce you myself. I am Samreen teacher, I am your EVS teacher and I will teach you EVS. Okay children, I hope you all are waiting for the class to start, right? So I would like to share one cover page below. See here children, this is the cover page of our Environmental Studies class 5. Environmental Studies जो हमारा EVS सब्जेक्ट है ऑफ क्लास 5 का, ये उसका कवर पेज है बेटे. आप ये कवर पेज देखकर अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक को निकाल सकते हो, राइट. आई होप यू विल नॉट फील एनी डिफिकल्टी. फाइन. Let me take you to the content now. See here children, this is the content of our Environmental Studies textbook. We have number of lessons, but children, you need not to worry about this. I am here, so I will teach you these lessons. But make sure that you should attend my classes regularly as per the given timetable. Okay children, ये सारे lessons हम आपको पढ़ाएंगे, इसमें आप परेशान मत होइए, but इसके लिए आपको regularly classes attend करने की ज़रूरत है. As per the given timetable, आप वहाँ से timetable देखकर classes attend कर सकते हो. Shall we begin with the lesson children? Fine. So our first chapter, first lesson. Can you read here children? What is the name of our lesson? Our lesson name is, right, relationships. What is the lesson name? Relationships. Now what is the meaning of this relationship children? Relationship meaning रिश्ता. एक दूसरे के साथ जो रिश्ता होता है ना, उसको हम नेम दे रहे हैं. इन इंग्लिश वी आर सेइंग relationship. Can you give me some examples of relationship children? Right, you and your brother. So you both are brother and sister. This is the relation. Now your mom and you. Exactly, you both have relation of mother and daughter. Your father and you both have relation father and daughter. So this is called here relationships. Like this we have so many other relations also. Let's read here what's relation given. Okay. See children, in this lesson, one boy is there, Ravi. Okay. Now we are going to read one story of Ravi. In this, he is showing different relations. Okay. Now shall we begin children? Right. So we are starting from the first para. See here children, this is our first para. Okay. And this is our first line. Right. First line. I request to all the students, please keep your finger on our line. Right. Ravi's sister was going to get married. Now यहाँ पर रवि के sister क्या कर रहे थे? रवि के sister की marriage होने वाली थी. Right children? Even our sisters also will get married when they got mature. Right. So here also रवि के sister की marriage होने वाली थी. His father was making a lots of the relatives to send them the invitations, a list of the relatives to send them the invitation card. Now रवि के फादर क्या कर रहे हैं? अभी रवि के फादर एक लिस्ट बना रहे हैं कि किस किस को इन्विटेशंस देना है. राइट चिल्ड्रन, हम भी याद करते हैं ना कि इनके मैरिज में हमको फ्रेंड्स को बुलाना है, ये रिलेटिव्स को बुलाना है, ये नेबर्स को बुलाना है. वी विल ऑल्सो प्रिपेयर वन लिस्ट. राइट. सो सेम लाइक दिस रवि's फादर, रवि के फादर भी क्या कर रहे हैं? यहाँ पर एक लिस्ट बना रहे हैं कि किस किस को इन्विटेशंस सेंड करना है. फाइन. रवि वॉज सरप्राइज टू सी अ लॉन्ग लिस्ट ऑफ रिलेटिव्स. अब यहाँ पर रवि बहुत ज़्यादा सरप्राइज हो गए, शॉक्ड हो गए कि फादर क्या कि इतना बड़ा सा रिलेटिव्स का लिस्ट बनाए हैं. सो वो लिस्ट देखकर रवि को सरप्राइज्ड हुआ. He asked his father. अब वो अपने फादर से पूछ रहे हैं. There are so many relatives in the list whom I have never seen. Now what the Ravi is asking? Father, ये लिस्ट में जो है कई सारे रिलेटिव्स ऐसे भी हैं जिसको मैं जानता भी नहीं और ना मैंने कभी उनको देखा है. Are you understanding children? Right. They never visited us और ना ही वो कभी हमारे घर आए हैं. Why are we inviting them? Now Ravi is asking. There are so many relatives to whom I have not seen and even I don't know them. So why we are inviting them? He is asking this question. Ravi's father smiled and said. Now Ravi के father रवि को देखकर smile कर रहे हैं and he is replying him. You are right कि आप सही हो. You have not seen सम ऑफ अवर रिलेटिव्स, एंड आप हमारे कुछ रिलेटिव्स को नहीं देखे हो. यू हैव नॉट इवन हर्ड अबाउट सम ऑफ देम, एंड ना ही आप उन रिलेटिव्स के बारे में कभी कुछ बात सुने हो. राइट चिल्ड्रन, हियर ऑल्सो we know so many relatives, but there will be some relatives to which we don't know what's their names and where they stay and all, but our parents knows them, right? On the day of the marriage, now where we have to start, children, keep your finger there. But on the occasion of marriage, we have to invite all of them. Some relatives will be their children to whom we couldn't invite them in all the occasions, but we invite them in some special occasions like marriages and all, right? So here fathers of this Ravi, what he is saying here कि रवि हमारे पास कुछ ऐसे रिलेटिव्स भी होते हैं जिसको हम हमारे स्पेशल ओकेशंस पर लाइक मैरिजेस एंड ऑल पर इनवाइट करते हैं रवि, इसीलिए आप उनको ज़्यादा नहीं जानते. ही इज़ गिविंग दिस रिप्लाई. On the day of the marriage, there was a huge gathering. Now all this topic finished. पूरा topic finished हो गया, and now that day came. Which day, children? Right, Ravi's sister marriage day. That day came. Now on the day of the marriage, there was a huge gathering. And वो marriage के दिन पर क्या था? Huge means it means here we are saying big gatherings. Okay, so many members gathered. एक जगह पूरे members आ गए थे. So many relatives came in simple. Many relatives has assembled after a long time. And ऐसे बहुत सारे relatives थे जो बहुत time के बाद जो है एक जगह पर मिले हैं children वो लोग. Okay. Now what will happen if any relatives, if they are meeting after a long time? Right, everyone will sit together and everyone will talk and discuss regarding their daily life and all, right children? So that only happened, and everyone will enjoy also, right? They enjoyed every moment of their stay at Ravi's house. अब वो जितनी भी देर रवि के हाउस पर रह रहे हैं वो सारा टाइम क्या किए वो सारे relatives? Right, they have enjoyed, बहुत enjoy किए. Ravi's brother kept all the children busy by making them solve puzzle. Now Ravi, what he did here? Ravi's parents were busy in handling what? All the relatives. But Ravi was busy by making them solve puzzle. It means he was keeping all the children busy. वो सारे children को busy रख रहा है. Okay, उनको एक work दे दिया कि you just do this, you play these puzzles and all by saying this. Okay children. Ravi's uncles and his wives are very good singers. And Ravi के जो uncle हैं and उनके aunt जो है, Ravi's uncle and aunt, they are good singers. वो बहुत ही अच्छे singer थे. Singer meaning children, singer here students, those who sings, right? जो sing करता है उसको हम singer बोलेंगे. Singing any song, singing something, okay? They sang and danced at the marriage. अब वो marriage में singing भी किए और as well as they have danced also. वो लोग dancing भी किए. And they have enjoyed that moment. The little boy was frightened by the loud noise and unknown faces all around. And जो छोटे children थे, sometimes happen no children, our small kids like 1 year, 2 year, 3 years children, when they see some unknown person, stranger person, जिसको वो नहीं जानते, वैसे लोग को अगर देखते हैं तो they start crying, right children? So वैसे ही वहाँ पर भी बहुत सारे छोटे children cry कर रहे थे, रो रहे थे by seeing that unknown faces. She cried most of the time and had to be cuddled or fed with milk to calm her down. So now here अब सारे parents को क्या करना पड़ा? वो लोग को cuddle करना पड़ा, वो लोग को झूला देना पड़ा, and they have to feed with a milk just to make them stop from crying. Mohan uncle told hilarious jokes. Now one person is there, Mohan name Mohan, and he is the uncle of Ravi. Okay, so Mohan uncle, what he did children over there? He told hilarious joke. Hilarious joke in the sense कि ऐसे jokes जो बहुत ज़्यादा मजाकिया हो, हंसी मजाक से भरे हुए रहना, उसको हम बोलेंगे hilarious jokes. Right children? Everybody laughed at his joke, but his laughter was the loudest. So now here सब लोग उनके jokes पर हंस रहे थे, लेकिन जब सबसे ज़्यादा हंसी का voice आ रहा था वो किसकी आ रही थी children? Exactly, Mohan uncle's voice was very louder than all. Even the people outside the house could hear his laughter. So now here जो लोग बाहर ठहरे हुए थे वो भी किसकी वॉइस सुन रहे थे यहाँ पर? मोहन अंकल जब हंस रहे थे जोक्स बोलकर, उनकी वॉइस इतनी बड़ी थी कि बाहर के लोग भी उनकी वॉइस को सुन सक रहे थे. Now let's come to the next para, children. See, this we are in this para. Keep your finger, children. Right. Sunita Bhabhi is a very good cook. Now, Sunita Bhabhi is a very good cook. Good cook in the sense, students, those who cook very nicely. That person is called good cook. Ravi loves to eat rajma cooked by her. And Ravi को उनके हाथ का बनाया हुआ राजमा वो खाना बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद था. She also makes टेस्टी क्रिस्पी पकोरास. एंड वो क्या करते हैं, बहुत ही टेस्टी पकोरास भी बनाते हैं. हु विल मेक दिस? हु इज दिस? सुनीता भाभी. राइट. रवि's sister is tall and very fair. Now we are moving to the Ravi's sister. Okay, children. Now Ravi's sister is very tall and very fair. Tall meaning, children, whose height is more. It means whose height is big. जो height में बड़े हो. Okay, जिसको हम लंबे बोलते हैं. Right. Ravi's sister is tall and very fair. She very fair in the sense complexion. The face color is very white. She looked very beautiful on the day of her marriage. And वो अपने marriage के दिन पर बहुत ज़्यादा beautiful लग रही थी. Beautiful in the sense बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रही थी. Okay. Ravi felt very sad when her sister left for her in-laws house after marriage. And वो जब marriage के बाद अपने in-laws के घर चले गए उनके sister, तब रवि को बहुत ज़्यादा हर्ट हुआ, बहुत ज़्यादा सैड फील कर रहे थे वो. एवरीबडी हैड इन देयर आईज एंड दे ऑल प्रेड फॉर हर हैप्पी मैरिड लाइफ. सो नाउ हियर व्हाट एवरीबडी डिड इन देयर आईज. वो लोग के सबके आईज में क्या था? पानी था. इट मीन्स वो लोग रो रहे थे. सो एंड दे ऑल क्राइड ऑल्सो एंड प्रेड ऑल्सो. एंड प्रे भी किए कि फॉर हर हैप्पी मैरिड लाइफ के लिए. राइट चिल्ड्रेन. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज, चिल्ड्रेन. हियर are you able to see this picture? Turn your page so you will get this picture. Okay, in this are you seeing, children? What we have, children? Here bride and groom, they are sitting on a chair and some guests are there. They are standing and one girl, small girl is there. She is also standing and smiling. Right, children? So what is going on here? Here marriage is going on. Right, Ravi's sister marriage is going on. All our relatives do not live near us. And सारे relatives जो है children हमारे करीब में नहीं होते, हमारे पास में नहीं रहते हैं. राइट. कोई एक स्टेट में रहता है, कोई अनदर स्टेट, या फिर कोई एक एरिया, एंड अनदर रिलेटिव विल बी इन another area, children. Some of them go to settle in far off places and seldom get a chance to visit us. And some of them, and कुछ relatives क्या करते हैं, बहुत दूर places पर चले जाते हैं, वहाँ पर settle होते हैं, and seldom get a chance to visit us. What do you mean by the seldom, children? Seldom means very rare. It means not often. Okay. So seldom what these relatives will do? They visit to our house. Did you understand this explanation, children? Right. So what is the lesson name? Relationship. Whose marriage is going on? Ravi's sister marriage is going on. To whom father invited? Right, children. Father invited to all the relatives. Right. After they come, what they did? They enjoyed. They played games. They sang. They danced. And they said hilarious jokes also. So every moment they enjoyed in Ravi's house. At a final time, Ravi's family and some of the relatives also, they were feeling sad because Ravi's sister was getting married and going to her in-laws house, right? So this is the story what we have done, children. Remaining we will do in our next class, right? Let's come to the homework, children. So this is the homework which I have shared here. You can take one screenshot or save this picture to complete your homework. Okay. So let's see what I have given you in the homework. Write these hard words in and do reading. Okay, children. So these hard words you have to write and you have to do the reading. Let's see the first hard word. What is the first hard words here? Relationship. What is this? Relationship. Repeat after me, children. What is the first one? Relationship. Second, invitation. Invitation. Third one, visited. Fourth, children. Fifth, relatives. Sixth, hilarious. Seventh, beautiful. Eighth, tears. 9, seldom. 10th, gathering. Okay children, now I'll tell you the meanings of these words also. Make sure you remember this meaning children. Okay, first one, relationship. In our lesson name only we have finished this, right students? Relationship means rishta. Invitation. Invitation in the sense, for inviting somebody we will prepare one card, right children? So that is called invitation. थर्ड वन, विजिटेड. या आप किसी के घर जाना या कोई और आपके पास आना, दैट इज कॉल्ड विजिटेड. चिल्ड्रन मीन्स ऑल स्मॉल किड्स एंड ऑल दे आर कॉल्ड चिल्ड्रन, जो बच्चे होते हैं. फिफ्थ, रिलेटिव्स, जो हमारे रिश्तेदार होते हैं. सिक्स्थ, हिलेरियस. हिलेरियस इन द सेंस व्हाट आई सेड यू चिल्ड्रन, बहुत ही हंसी मजाक वाला रहना. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड हिलेरियस. 7, ब्यूटिफुल, जिसको हम बहुत खूबसूरत बोल रहे हैं. 8th, टीयर्स, वी नो दैट वेरी वेल राइट, आंसू. 9th, seldom. Seldom meaning children rare and not often. Okay, that is called seldom. And 10th one is gathering, जब सब एक जगह जमा हो जाते हैं, assemble होते हैं, that is called gathering. Okay students, I hope you all have understood my today's class. Inshallah I'll be back with the next video. In our next meeting we will continue our lesson children. Okay, till then take care and good luck students.